SCORP Pro Unboxing. First, open the product packing box. Take out the gimbal storage box. Quick start guide. Warranty card. Place the gimbal storage box logo upward. Open the gimbal storage box. Take out the quick release plate. Lens holder. Hex wrench and camera fixed screw. Containing 6 camera control cables with different interfaces and 1 Type-C charging cable. Camera backing base. SCORP Pro gimbal. Gimbal tripod. 3/8 to a 1/4 inch thread insert. Remote control handle. All the above is the content for SCORP Pro accessories. Thank you for watching.